Let's look at how to set up basic event calendars inside of HighLevel. Event calendars are designed for situations where you want to book a time slot for an event, but the meeting isn't tied to a specific team member. Instead of assigning appointments to a host, this calendar type focuses on managing events availability and registrations. This makes it perfect for things like workshops, seminars, training sessions, or public events where attendees simply reserve a spot. In this video, we'll walk through how to create an event calendar and configure it so people can start booking their place immediately. Here's how it works. Inside your HighLevel sub account, you're going to come over to calendars on the left hand side and then make your way up to calendar settings. On the right hand side, we're going to click on new calendar, and then in the bottom left, we're going to click on explore more types. You'll see two more options show up where we will see event calendar. Just click on that and the calendar builder will appear. Give your calendar a name, adjust the URL and the meeting duration, select the availability, and when you scroll down and click on advanced settings, you will have more customization options. You can add things like your logo, change the name, add a description, and when you come over to meeting location in the top left corner, this is where we can choose the type of meeting location we want to add to this calendar. So click on the drop down menu where we can choose options like phone, full address, custom, or ask the booker. This is where the booker enters the location. So if it is a physical location, I'm going to click on full address, then the location address will automatically be added to all the notifications that are sent out. To change the availability of the calendar, come over to the left hand side here where you can adjust times or add specific hours too. Then again on the left hand side, we can come over to booking rules where we can adjust things like the meeting interval, meeting duration, the minimum scheduling notice, the date range, and so much more. If we click on advanced settings, we can add things like forms. You can choose between the forms by clicking this button here and then choosing the form that you created. If you want to take payments for this event or this booking, then make your way over to payments on the left hand side, and once you have a payment provider connected, you can just toggle on accept payments. If you want to add or manage a payment provider, click on this blue link on the right hand side. Then if you want to adjust your notifications that are sent out when somebody books, make your way over to notifications and policies where you can toggle on or off things like allowing rescheduling, allowing cancellations, as well as things like allowing Google Calendar to send invitation or update emails to attendees. Once you're happy with your event calendar, you can click on Save Changes on the top right corner. Then to preview your calendar, click on the arrow next to your calendar. It will say Share Calendar. Then you can copy one of these links and then paste it in a new tab. And that's how you can set up a basic event calendar inside of HighLevel. Event calendars make it super easy to manage registrations for workshops, seminars, and group events without assigning appointments to a specific team member. For more information about this or other HighLevel features, be sure to check out our YouTube channel, blog, and help docs. The link's in the description below.